Hey there, this is your English teacher. I'm from pocenglish.com, and today I'm going to help you practice asking for directions in English. So if you get lost while traveling, you'll know what to do. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can improve your English with us and get a notification every time we publish a new video like this one. And if you want more personalized help, you can sign up for a free trial at our website, pocenglish.com, our website. You can talk with native English teachers one-on-one. You can also take our placement test so we can help you find your level and give you recommendations on how to improve. Now let's learn how to ask for directions. When you're lost, it's important to stay calm. Take a deep breath and look around you to see if you can find any signs or landmarks that might be able to help you figure out where you are. Once you have an idea of where you might be, you can start asking questions to confirm your location. The first thing you could say is, "Excuse me, where am I?" Excuse me is a polite way to get someone's attention when you need help. It shows that you respect their personal space, and it's an essential part of asking for help in any language. After that, you can ask, "Where am I?" If you want to be extra polite, you can add "please" at the end of the sentence. "Excuse me, where am I, please?" When you ask this question, you may receive an answer in the form of a street name or a landmark. For example, "You are on Elm Street," or "You are in front of the library." If you're still not sure where you are, don't be afraid to ask another question. You could say, "Can you tell me where I am in relation to something familiar?" For example, "Am I close to the train station?" Or, "How far away is the museum?" This question is very useful because it allows you to compare your current location to a place that you know. It also gives you a better understanding of the layout of the city or area and helps you to visualize your surroundings. Additionally, if you know the names of some of the streets or landmarks in the area, you can include them in your question to narrow down your search. Once you've located a familiar landmark, you can use that information to figure out where you need to go next. For example, if you're looking for a specific store and you know that it's near a post office, you can ask, "Where is the post office?" "The post office is over there." Then you can go in the opposite direction to find the store. Asking for directions can be intimidating, but it's a skill that every traveler needs to master. By following these tips, you'll be able to ask for directions with confidence and never get lost again. Okay, now it's your turn. Practice asking for directions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed this lesson, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.